Rising from the heart of Kuala Lumpur's modern financial district, the Exchange 106 is more than just a skyscraper. It is a symbol of Malaysia's ambition to stand among the world's leading financial centers. Located in the Tun Razak Exchange, commonly known as TRX, this super-tall tower represents a shift in the city's skyline and a new chapter in its economic identity. The story of the Exchange 106 begins with the vision behind the Tun Razak Exchange itself. TRX was masterplanned as Malaysia's first international financial district, designed to attract global banks, multinational corporations, and investment institutions. At the center of this plan stood the need for an iconic tower, one that would signal confidence, stability, and modernity. The Exchange 106 was conceived as that anchor, both physically and symbolically. Standing at approximately 454 meters tall, the Exchange 106 soars above most of Southeast Asia's skyline. With 106 floors, the tower was designed primarily as a Grade A office building, prioritizing efficiency, flexibility, and prestige. From its earliest stages, the project aimed to meet the expectations of global tenants, offering large column-free floor plates, high ceilings, and advanced building systems that support modern corporate operations. Architecturally, the tower is defined by its sleek glass facade and its striking crystalline crown. As the building rises, its form becomes more refined, culminating in a faceted glass pinnacle that reflects sunlight by day and glows elegantly at night. This crown is not merely decorative. It reinforces the tower's identity as a landmark and gives it a recognizable silhouette on the Kuala Lumpur skyline. Construction of the Exchange 106 was a complex engineering achievement. Building to such heights in a dense urban environment required deep foundations, advanced structural systems, and careful coordination. High-strength concrete, sophisticated damping systems, and precision construction methods were employed to ensure stability, comfort, and safety at extreme heights. Every detail, from wind resistance to elevator efficiency, was engineered to international standards. Inside, the tower is designed to project professionalism and calm authority. The main lobby features expansive volumes, premium materials, and controlled lighting that creates a sense of arrival and confidence. High-speed elevators transport occupants efficiently to upper levels, while intelligent building management systems optimize energy use, security, and comfort throughout the day. Sustainability was also a key consideration. The Exchange 106 incorporates energy-efficient glazing, optimized air conditioning systems, and smart lighting controls to reduce environmental impact. These features align with global expectations for green office buildings and reinforce the tower's role as a future-ready workplace. The Exchange 106 was completed in 2019, marking a major milestone for the TRX development. Upon completion, it became one of the tallest buildings in the region and immediately positioned Tun Razak Exchange as a serious contender among Asia's financial hubs. While not primarily a tourist destination, the building's presence has become inseparable from Kuala Lumpur's modern image, frequently appearing in skyline photographs, films, and promotional materials. Beyond its height and design, the true significance of the Exchange 106 lies in what it represents. It reflects Malaysia's economic aspirations, its openness to global business, and its confidence in long-term growth. As multinational firms move into TRX and surrounding developments continue to mature, the tower stands as a constant reminder of that original vision. Today, the Exchange 106 is not just a building, it is a statement. It tells the story of a city evolving, a nation positioning itself on the global stage, and an urban future shaped by ambition, precision, and architectural excellence. From its foundation deep below the ground to its glittering crown high above Kuala Lumpur, the Exchange 106 embodies the idea that modern skylines are not only built with steel and glass, but with purpose and vision.